to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. Today what we are going to do in this episode is I have ordered a DSLR camera that is a Panasonic Lumix G7. I will be unboxing that in front of you. I'm not yet opened the cover, so I'll be doing it live with you. I'll be checking what all is available in the DSLR camera, what all it comes with, and then we'll just go through a few of the features in that. So let's start. In this channel, mostly what I go ahead and do is I make tech reviews, I do unboxing like what I'm going to do now, and I also go ahead and give tech news and I do shop reviews. So as I told you, I'm going to unbox Panasonic G7 today. So let's start with the unboxing process. Okay guys, let's go ahead and unbox this. It's coming in such a big cover. So it is well packed. Let's open this up and check what's available over here. Okay, so if you see here, there is a lot of protection what they are given over here. There is the bill, and that one is empty. So as you can see, okay, so this is Panasonic DMC G7 and it's a 4K camera. It's a mirrorless camera which I ordered for making my videos. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what all is available in this. So as I told you, if you can see this clearly, this Panasonic G7, DMC G7, it's a 4K camera with a micro sensor also in it. And what this camera can go ahead and do is it can go ahead and record 4K videos up to 25 to 30 FPS and a full HD video up to 60 FPS, and it's a 16 megapixel sensor. Okay, so let's open the box up without wasting any time. And this comes with a 2-year warranty period also, it's given over here. Okay, so the box is opened. So there is a manual. There is a CD and the booklet over here. So this is how it looks. here is a sling for the camera. And now this one would be the camera, if you see this properly. So this is Panasonic Lumix camera, and if you see the camera properly, while making videos, we can go ahead and check yourself out over here, and this comes with a Wi-Fi also in it. I will give you a closer look on this in some time while we go ahead and take out all the stuff which is available with it. The next component over here is a lens cap, and the main component, the lens. See, this is the lens over here available. This is a 14 to 42 inches long lens, 42 millimeter, that is 14 to 42 millimeter, which is available with the camera. I got this in Amazon in about 38,490. And let's see what else is available. There is a charging cable, USB cable that is. There is an adapter. There's a micro charging cable also over here. And this is the battery, 1200 amp. And this is the device in which you can go ahead and put the battery and charge. So that's it with the unboxing. Now let's go ahead and give a closer look to this. Okay guys, so this is the Panasonic Lumix G7, as you can see it completely now. And this is the lens which is available with it. You can see this, which is given along, which will be put over here. And you have a lens cap also over here for focus. And this is the battery. And this would be a 1200 mAh battery. And this is the battery charger, if you can see this clearly. And let's leave all this alone. And if you see the camera clearly over here, you can change the mode to 4K, full HD and everything. You have all the facilities over here. And here you can go ahead and attach the mic in this place. And over in this side, you have the HDMI port, remote port, and a micro USB port for this. It's a mini USB port for this. And okay, so this is closed. There's a speaker over here also, mic speaker over here. And down, if you see over here, you can attach it to any of the given stands, like any of the tripods which you have to connect it to. And over here you can connect the flash. From here is the viewfinder over here. And if you remove this over here in the front, you get the proper view of the lens over here. Now what we have to do is we have to connect this lens to this. Okay, I'm just going to try it. So it is connected now. The lens is connected, if you see. And this is the zoom for autofocus and zoom. Both are there over here for the complete camera to come. And down, if you see over here, here's where you put the memory card and the battery. So we'll be putting the battery over here now. And after you put the battery, just go ahead. Now it's in open. Go ahead and press it like this and just close it. One second. So it's attached, and just close it. So this is locked now completely. And over this side, if you see, as it's a mirrorless camera, you can see here. If you're taking a photo, you can see, go ahead and check it over here. But if you're doing a vlog or something, you can just rotate it this side, and you'll be able to go ahead and see while going ahead and shooting it up. So these are the maximum features. Here you can connect the mic, as I told you. Here you can have the modes, and here you have all the options of autofocus, scan, and everything over here to set the ISO and all the options. And here you have the record option, and here also you have another option over here to switch on the camera. And here you have all the function buttons as usual, which is available over there in most of the cameras. And you can see here it's given over here 4K, Wi-Fi, HDMI, and it has Wi-Fi included in it. And as I told you, there's the charger, and these are the lens caps which are available with it. And this one can be put over this. Give me a second. For projecting the camera and for taking wider shots. So this will be connected over there like this. So this is the full unboxing now, which has been done of the Panasonic G7. Okay guys, so now we have gone ahead and done the complete unboxing of the Lumix as I got from Amazon, and the link for this will be available below if you do want to check it out from Amazon. This is my first DSLR camera which I have purchased, and for beginners they say this is the best camera. Even I consider myself to be a beginner in DSLR, so I purchased this camera to go ahead and check it out. What I'll do is I'll try using it for some time, and I'll give you a complete review of the camera, how the camera is, and what are the functions, what are the main functions of it without any problem. So this was a complete unboxing, and apart from this, the only thing is available in this is the CD and the manual, which I'll be going through in some time, and I'll be leaving my comments about this also over here. And apart from this, if you did like the video of the unboxing over here, please go ahead and like and subscribe for this channel, and so that you'll get updated news. I've also gone ahead and purchased a tripod for which I'll be going ahead and putting an unboxing video for that also. Especially for this, I had a aluminium lightweight tripod for my mobile, which could bear the mobile's weight. Just for this one, this is a lightweight camera, but then too for this I got a heavyweight Digitech tripod, which I'll be going ahead and showing you whenever I get time for that. So until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.